This is a general introduction into the shared teacher-student sites that have been set up. So when you're on your school page, you need to go and find the My Classes logo or symbol and click on it. Now this is a password protected area, so you will be asked to sign in with your username and password. Now I am already signed in, so that's why it didn't ask me. When you click on it, you will be brought to this page, which will give you a list of all the classes that you have that you are teaching or have been set up for you in My Classes. So you just click on the class that you want to upload documents or make an announcement or share resources with. So here we'll choose second year maths. So this is what it will look like the first time that you log in. Now, the most important thing to do when you start with My Classes is to check the members. This will give you a list of all the students who are able to access this site. They should be obviously the same as the list of students that you have in your class. So can you check and make sure that the students registered here are the students in your class? Sometimes if students have the same name, there can be an error here. So if there's an error, if there's a student in there that shouldn't be in there, or you need to add a user, just send me an email and I can do that for you. Unfortunately, we cannot add users, so you will need to email me, as I said, and we can do it for you. Now, one of the most useful features of this My Classes site is the links. Here you can make a list of links that are useful for your students to access or to use when they are studying. So here, for example, there's a couple of links or websites already listed. So to add a link, all you have to do is simply click on Add New Link. This will bring up a new window where they will ask you for a URL. So what you need to do is you need to go to the site that you want to create a link to. So here, for example, I'm going to use the examinations.ie, which is quite a useful link for students to use when they're studying. So up here is your URL. So if you left click to highlight and right click to copy, and then you just go back to your My Classes page and you just delete. You can delete that, right click again and click paste, and there's your URL. Now it's important that you give a description or a title to the web address so the students know what they're looking for, because sometimes it can be a very long URL and you don't want that to appear on the page. So just click there and type in a title. So for example, here we'll call it examinations, and you just click OK. You can add notes if you want to. So click OK and examinations should be there. The students then can simply just click on the link and it will bring them straight to that site. If you have a site that you have up and it's no longer relevant or you no longer want to use it, you just click on the title to remove it, and here is your list. And you can see here, for example, we want to delete examinations. If you just hover your mouse over down to the little black arrow, you can edit the item. So if you have a mistake or you want to rename it, you can click edit, or if you want to delete it, you can just simply click delete. Are you sure you want to delete it? You click OK and it's gone. So if you go back to your second year maths, you can see the site is gone. Now there are lots of other features of My Classes which I'm going to demonstrate in other videos. This is just a general introduction. So if you want to see how to add announcements, how to share documents, you can select the other videos from our YouTube channel.